indeed a rebirth. I don't want to go on and on because I'm so fulfilled today. Professor Wole Soyinka, I want to say thank you to you specifically for all the work you've been doing. Your legacy will continue to speak for you. On behalf of all of us, please can you let us honor him by giving him a standing ovation and keep clapping for him. Keep clapping for this iconic. You will not stop, please. And let us appreciate him for all his support, for all his relentless efforts so far. Clap. If you don't clap there, I will get angry. Let us honor him. Let us celebrate him. He doesn't like to be celebrated, but we want to celebrate you today for your time, your effort towards the achievement of Orisa. Our divinity, we've been doing it for the last 70, 80 years. We know you to be this, we have read about you, we are still reading about you. Do not let your hand go down. You are worthy to be celebrated because you are the bedrock of the success of this state. Keep clapping. Honor him. Celebrate him. He has made us proud. He's been fearless. He's very bold. Been supportive. Every day, everything he does, in his actions, in his words, in his thoughts, in his deeds. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Clap. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Baba. We honor you for everything you've been doing to all of us. Lágbára Ọlọ́run lójúmọ̀rì a máa yẹ yín ni àwọn òrìṣà ni wọ́n dùn sí yín wọ́n túbọ̀ máa fún yín lágbára yín a máa yẹ yín kò díẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi pàtàkì lọ please. A roaring sound for him. Thank you. You can all be seated now.